Next question is from Kirti Zare. She is asking, is there any framework for development in C Sharp language other than Visual Studio? Kirti, let me clarify one thing. Visual Studio is not a framework. Visual Studio is an IDE or integrated development environment. Integrated development environments are those applications which are used to develop any kind of software application using a particular language, framework, or technology. So when we talk about C Sharp language, C Sharp language, we use .NET framework, because to compile and to run C Sharp language, we need .NET framework. It can be either .NET Core, .NET 5, or .NET framework, the regular old .NET framework, which runs only on Windows. Now, to develop applications using C Sharp and .NET, Visual Studio is not only IDE. There are many others IDEs which are available. So Visual Studio is of course the most popular one and has most number of features provided, and since it is developed by Microsoft, which is the main creator of C Sharp language and .NET framework, or you can say that right now, since both of these are open source, so Microsoft is the main maintainer of C Sharp language and .NET framework. So Visual Studio has good features for developing applications using C Sharp and .NET. However, there are other IDEs also. The first one being Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is again from Microsoft, but Visual Studio Code is right now, I would say that it is number one IDE used for most of the web development. So many web developers, be it React developers, be it Flutter developers, be it Python developers, many people are using Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is free IDE, completely free. There is no conditions apply in this free thing. It is completely free, cross-platform IDE. It is available on Windows as well as Mac as well as Linux, and it is an Electron-based application. You can develop, you can use C Sharp, or you can develop or write C Sharp and .NET-based application using Visual Studio Code also. But as I said, that Visual Studio Code doesn't have enough features. As I said, that Visual Studio has more features which help in doing .NET and C Sharp development easier way. Visual Studio Code doesn't have that much features, and you need to learn some commands. You need to know about command line interface, or creating applications or running applications using CLIs or command line interface if you are using Visual Studio Code. The second IDE, which is again free for doing C Sharp and .NET C Sharp and .NET development, is called MonoDevelop. MonoDevelop is again a cross-platform IDE, but I don't know that whether it is available on Linux or not. It is more available on your Mac and Windows. And MonoDevelop is the one which was like later on rebranded or renamed as Xamarin Studio, when like Xamarin team was maintaining this MonoDevelop, and it was rebranded as Xamarin Studio, and later on it was rebranded as your Visual Studio for Mac. So but still MonoDevelop is still there because it's open source. So, and it's open source and free, so you can use MonoDevelop to as an IDE to develop C Sharp and .NET based applications. Now the third one is again one of the most popular IDE for developing C Sharp and .NET based application, and that is called JetBrains Rider. So JetBrains Rider is of course an paid IDE. You need to pay for its license, but it is again second, I would say that it is the like second number IDE being used by .NET developers for developing C Sharp and .NET based applications. But as it is paid, so it is not used by as many developers who are using Visual Studio. But like after Visual Studio, many people who are ready to pay for it, they use JetBrains Rider. JetBrains is a very like you can say very large you can say tools making company. They have IDEs or integrated development environments for other languages also. I think IntelliJ is there. I'm not sure about it, but I think they have IDEs for Python also. They have IDEs for Java also. So similarly, their IDE for .NET and C# development is called JetBrains Rider, and it is an licensed IDE. So of course, it is an paid IDE. So these were the different IDEs which you can use to develop C# and .NET based application apart from using Visual Studio. So if you don't want to use Visual Studio, you can use from free solutions, that is either Visual Studio Code or MonoDevelop, or you can pay for licensed solution, that is JetBrains Rider. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care, bye bye.